everyone. Happy Tuesday to you, and thank you so much for joining all of us here on Mississippi Live. I'm Emily Leonard. It is a $2 million mystery in Oktibbeha County. That's the size of a new industrial project that they are eyeing, but it is so secret, I don't have anything to show you. But here is what I do know. According to the dispatch, the code name for it, Project Jacket, and it could bring at least 100 jobs to the area. Golden Triangle Link CEO Meryl Fazzackerly says that they have been working on this deal for almost a year, but she isn't saying what it is. That'll come from the governor's office if the deal goes through. Supervisors approved an incentive Monday. Starkville's board is expected to consider the same on Tuesday night. I guess it's just hurry up and wait. Fencing is going up around the old Lee County Courthouse. It's the first sign of the restoration project approved last month by the Lee County Board of Supervisors. Crews out Tuesday morning putting up that chain link fence, putting up the orange safety fences. This is phase one. It includes the outside of the courthouse, a new roof, stairs, and work on that beautiful historic clock. Look at this thing. This is inside of the dome, that big clock. Clock experts from Missouri are taking the moving parts back to their shop, cleaning, repairing, or restoring them. Whew, that's quite the task. You're now going to have to enter the courthouse from the west side. The project, just over $2 million, money coming from the county, the state, as well as insurance. If you live in Lafayette County, your home insurance could either go up or down, depending on some new flood maps. FEMA has redrawn the maps, and now the county wants property owners to check them out. In all, county officials say 607 properties were affected. 134 went from low risk to high risk. 77 went from high to low. If you're now in a flood zone, this could affect your insurance, could affect it if you're not. The maps are not in effect just yet. That'll happen in about 18 months. Property owners have 90 days to appeal. Lafayette County Supervisors are holding an open house so you can come and look at these maps. It is Tuesday, August 11th from 4 to 7 at the Multipurpose Arena. The maps will also be on the Lafayette County website sometime next week. And just a quick reminder, Election Day in Corinth, several seats up for grabs, mayor, alderman at large, and a couple of ward seats. Voting will end at 7 tonight, so you don't have a whole lot of time to get out there. You can vote over at City Hall. The results tonight on the Daily Corinthian. Scan that QR code there on the bottom of your screen to find all of the results. They'll have them for you. Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining us here on Mississippi Live. I'm Emily Leonard. Have a great day.